Hey guys, welcome to Alex363. Today we're doing a Sims video, and the challenge is today. So basically, you got Sims, and then they're gonna be like different colors, so like red, orange, yellow, green. But it's gonna be like different names, if you know what I mean. So basically, if you can hear anything in the background, it's my friend Sarah. But before we get into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and make sure you share this video. So let's get straight on. So this is my starter sim, and we need to get straight to it. So basically, I tried to film this, but something happened to my computer, and it was really weird. So I'm just going to do exactly the same what I did before, but you won't know what it is. Bye bye makeup. Wait a minute, I need face, and then I'll...
She's kind of lazy, she like gets out of bed a bit late, she doesn't really like waking up.
I think it's like
she's kind of a messy person, so
like a rebel, I think. I think she might be a rebel. So if I did lips, lips, and then I did maybe this, and then I'm going like...
I'm going to give her same skin detail, give red, just a dark skin tone.
And change the shape like that to that. Get rid of these accessories because that is kind of ugly. I know exactly what I'm doing, so I'll be able to do this really quick.
But we could always
where is this? Guys, please don't mind that, because that is mostly pink. You cannot lie. It's mostly pink. And I did this last time. So this with this. So, and I don't like them. These are okay. Like, I don't know, because I'm so bad at making Sims. Like that. Okay. Oh! Oops, I really didn't mean for that to happen. You just fell over, I knocked my mic. This person is P. What I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna,
maybe she likes nature. No, I think that's fine.
I think she would want... She's very, like... What do you want to do? I think she'd be like, kind of active. And
that she wants to go on dates with like lots of interesting people. I don't think she's
I think she's unflirty.
She's a goofball.
And
she is creative.
I don't know, because I think she's kind of like rebellious. Like she breaks those rules all the time, so I'm gonna be like hates children.
Clumsy, maybe.
So this is pink rainbow, and basically I'm not gonna do any of these because I haven't got any time.
Yellow rainbow. And so this is gonna be my dark skin.
So
and hopefully I can find a good hair for her. And now I have to hurry. I might be making 2 parts to this.
I think this is going to be like green, so custom content, look at the green, that's actually really, really cool. Without that, change her lips.
Definitely different eyes, because I don't like the green kind of thing.
We need to change the colour of her eyes to like this colour, and I need to change this sim. Actually, I need to change her nose because that's quite ugly. That's the closest I could get. Oh my gosh, she looks really creepy, but oh well. Like that. And then, for the outfit, I think she'd be like, kind of, like, not, like, just like a little bit lazy. So I'm gonna do, like, an oversized top. Like, or I could do a dress, or like she likes to party all the time. I think I might do this. Like, she like, oh, I haven't got any greens.
So I imagine yellow as
I think, yeah, this sim's gonna like be like she's gonna be like a party
so she's
animal.
all about being neat, whilst orange is quite
Nothing. I haven't got anything green.
As you
Oh
see,
no, this is gonna be a really hard
of a
one.
not so much perfectionist. So I think that she will be a perfectionist.
I like
definitely.
this in
And
yes, and
although
shoes.
suits her a bit
I
better.
think they can stay the
Obviously give her
same.
the same skin details everyone has, just to make her look a bit more real. Next, I'm going to be
Like
adding lashes
no,
to her because she needs lashes. And that's
like
just
that.
she needs
I'm
lashes.
just not gonna include the eyebrows as like the color. No, I think
also
I'm just gonna do all of them as brown because.
I might be
So
wrong. You guys might think that she's some sort of, I don't even know, but that's just my opinion.
rainbow, like
obviously,
I think
different.
I don't know. I think it should be these
Sort
like
of the same body type.
because like green reminds me of like gross stuff. So I would
My
do.
body's quite sticky outy.
I do like clumsy,
Sticky outy bodies.
a vegetarian,
So I'm just
and
gonna
lazy. So yes, that's that sim done. Yes, guys, I'm doing this very simple. I may or may not have to do a part 2 on this. Oh no, what colour shall I do next? What colour? What colour?
Alex.
So I'm gonna do this person. That's Sarah. She's redoing her intro. Oh, this is really nice. I'm gonna do it as she's gonna be red because that's like naturally red.
And so
I think she suit glasses like quite a lot. I just changed them to no glasses, and then I did these ones or these ones, and then I did like red like that. She kind of suits them.
If you know what I mean.
So
You might disagree with me, but that's just
brown.
the way I think that she is. So I'm gonna give her a stated dress.
Necklace. For the necklace, I'm gonna do bada bing bing bong boo bada. I need to do this one. I'm gonna do this necklace because I really like it, but I cannot. Sorry, guys. Like this person's just gonna be laid back. Like, so I need to find this top, and she's red, so I need to change it to red. I think this. No, I feel like this because it looks a bit more realistic if you look at it.
I like this one.
Like so. I feel like I'm just gonna put her in socks. Only socks. Like that, in red socks, and then keep her in. No. Change these trainers to red. Like that. Wait, I need to get her eyes. Eyes. That, and then I need to go red. Those are. She's quite cute. And then I'll do like this. Like,
that's yellow sim, and next I'm just going
I think I'm gonna do part 2 to this video. I don't know if I've mentioned that. Why can't I? Oh,
anyway, I'm
gonna do. She's gonna be very smart. Well, on computer, some computer whiz.
I'm done. Joking, I'm not done.
Goofball. Then maybe never had this for a sim before, and probably this because I don't know what it means. I think it means like she wants to get married all the time or something. Got no clue, but oh well. So that's my sim. I need to take away her accessories. So guys, I'm probably gonna do like 2, but you're not gonna be able to see, and I'll just show you them because I need to save up some time to record. So, and one of them's gonna be blue. So we'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so I'm back, and I'm gonna try not to let you see that sim. I'm gonna create one more sim. I think this is good. I'm gonna do, what shall I do? What shall I do? What sim shall I do? What colour shall I do? I think this is quite a nice colour. I'm thinking purple. Purple hair. She does not suit glasses. This is going to be my final sim. Oh, I don't like them eyes. I need to change them. I like them. And I actually quite like that top. So I'm gonna see if they have it in purple. I can't allow that. That's nowhere near. I'm just gonna see. Actually, that's purple. And then I'd say I could do these. Well, no, I can't actually. I need like something that's purple. Wait, is there a purple in these? I'd say that's nice. And then the socks, which are accessories. Them socks need to be in purple. The shoes have to be. I think these are quite nice. Put them in purple as well. And then let's change her eyebrows a little bit. I think that's quite nice. Do them brown. Okay guys, I'll show you the Sims right now. So this is Pink Rainbow. This is my first Sim. I think she's like quite pretty. She's got like a rose top on and pink outfit. She's master mixologist, active, unflirty, and hates children. Sim number 2. This is Green Rainbow. I think she's really pretty. Well, I don't think she's as pretty as the other ones. I could have done better. But she is a public enemy, clumsy, a vegetarian, and lazy. Next one I don't think you saw, and can't remember. No, you did see this one. This one is Red Rainbow. I think this is like the most pretty one I've done. I really like her face. That's the best part about her. She's a computer whiz, goofball. I don't know how you pronounce that, and I don't know how you pronounce that. Overall, I like that one. These are 2 that you didn't see. So this is Blue Rainbow. Don't really like the skirt, but I'm not going to change it. But I like her face and her hair, which is really nice. She is friend of the animals. She is a genius. She's evil and loves outdoors. This is Orange. She looks really similar to like. Wait a minute. Are they wearing the same top? No, they're not. I thought they were wearing the same top. But anyway, my favourite part about her is probably what she's wearing. Yeah. Orange Rainbow, she is jokestar, a snob and geek and hot-headed. Last one. I'll come back. please take a look at what the sim says now. But I only got 10 seconds of the video, so thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. See you next one. Bye!